Hi everyone, this is Trendsetters Academy. So if you really want to learn more things about Trendsetters or how their developers are developing the applications and how they're creating some sort of web applications or server-side coding, everything about the development. So for this you must click on the subscribe button for this. I hope. So let's come back to the lecture. Hi everyone, I'm Hantlal and you're watching Trendsetters Academy. So developers today, how we really create awesome application like Flashlight. Do you really want to learn how the flashlight is working, how the flashlight in your cell phone is working? So it's awesome when you will find out that there is some few lines of code, about 5 to 6 lines of code there, and you just develop an awesome simple flashlight application. That's pretty cool. So let's start and build the application here. Now you are seeing here is a simple. I just open Android Studio here, and now I'm going to create an application, and for this I'm just creating another activity here, and it's a blank activity. Okay, that's quite an empty, and I'm just giving this activity a name of flashlight activity. So whatever you want to give the name here, it's up to you. So here I'm just finishing it, and now what it happened, it just create a simple blank activity with nothing's there. So now let's see what the other things are there. So here our Java code is here, here's our flash, and here's our XML. So in XML, what I really do, I just create a simple button here, and when I click on this button, what it happened, the flashlight on, and when I click again, the flashlight off simply. So now what I'm going to do, just wait a little here, and it's just the building, the Gradle is building, and now let's wait for the thing. And when the build is complete, here our Gradle is finally complete. And now what I'm going to do here is I'm just changing this layout, constraint layouts, into a relative layout here. I'm just writing it's a relative layout. So now what did happen here, so now I'm creating a simple button here for just flashing, creating simple button here for flashing. So let's see how this thing is happening. I'm just wrap content here, I'm just saying Android ID, and what I'm going to say, I'm say flashlight, and here I'm saying it might be Android text. So Android text, but really the text here is on. When I click it, so this is the thing here, quite so simple here. Now what I'm going to do, I'm saying here, I'm just placing method here, and I'm saying Android on click, and I'm saying what will the method is flashlight. So now I'm going to create a flashlight method in my Java class. Okay, so let's see, let's create a method here, name, what will the name is, public void flashlight, and now I'm giving in parameters is view. So now what it happened here is when I just pressed an alt enter, so what it happened, just import the file here about library. So now you will see here, now this flashlight removed here. So now when I click on this button, what it happened, it just play flashlight. So now let's create a code of flashlight, how the flashlight is working. So now what I do, I just copy a code and just paste it here. So just I will tell you here what it happened. This is a camera. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just getting data from camera, and I'm saying the camera and getting its parameters, and I'm saying, so the camera parameters, the flash mode must be torch, and the flash mode must be on, and then I set its parameter and start the preview. So now what did happen, when I click on the button, this message invokes and it on the light. So now what the next thing is, it must be off. So for this what we will do, we will create some sort of logic here, and how this thing is happen, let's see. So now I change the code here, just a little bit changing about just what I do here. I just created a boolean type variable is clicked true, like the first thing is here, it is true, and when I click on this button, what it happened, it just invoked it, and it's on the flashlight here. Okay, and then it just I just passed a false here, and I say now this is clicked is false, and when I click again, the flashlight is off. So you're seeing here just only a few lines of code and your flashlight is on. Okay, so this is the code here, and the other thing here is you must allow the permissions. So these are the permissions here, you must write it, I will mention it in my description there, but really these permissions are just remember these permissions. The first permission is about our previous lecture, you can find it in my videos there, And these are the permissions here about the flashlight, about the camera. So let me tell you about the thing here is what it happened is it is accessing a camera and getting its service, and it say just requesting this camera service and just telling it that I really need just a flashlight, not turn on the camera here. Okay, so there are some more parameters here, you can find it here, like a lot of things there. So there are some modes here: flash mode, auto, off, on, red eye, torch, or whatever. It's up to you what you really want. So here I am saying flash mode, torch. Okay, so these are the things here, and now you can run your code and you will see that a single click of button and the thing is changed. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this lecture. That's quite so easy, so awesome. So if any issue about the thing, just forget about so don't forget to subscribe, and happy coding. And I'll meet you in next lecture with an awesome application there in just few lines of code, and the application is created. That's quite so awesome thing. Seriously. Okay, bye.